e anche con una cifra nanta positiva per lo quale tratta turismo di mercato americano, assieme a nos a seguir promover e purba atraer mais visitantes di região aqui. Um bom exemplo é a recente entrevista com o nosso primeiro mandatário na Fox News para convencer a televidente de New York que tem clima frio de 0,55 graus Celsius é a melhor opção para visitar nossa isla.
And speaking of cold weather, this time of the year, the best place to be would be in the Caribbean. And today we actually have Prime Minister Mike Eamon. Thank you so much for joining us early this morning.
Welcome to this piece of Aruba in New York.
Yeah, and we have a beautiful setup here with sand. We have breakfast.
Some Aruba pastiche for you, and so you can get into the feeling of the warmth of Aruba. So that's the only thing I could have done by coming with a piece of Aruba, so you could feel a little bit warmer here. In Aruba right now it's 88 degrees.
88 degrees, that's right. We actually have that weather map. You can see it over there on that screen. So high temperatures today?
Yes, high temperatures always, and we have all year long. There is a average of 88, between 80 and 88.
So
and,
very stable climate.
Very stable,
the year.
warm, nice, and the place for you to be, especially during winter.
And what makes Aruba so much better than all the other islands in the Caribbean?
Well, all the Caribbean islands are beautiful, and we love them all. What makes us proud of Aruba is that outside of only the resorts and the most beautiful beaches in the world, the hospitality of our people is so special. Aruba has one of the highest rate of people that return every year back to Aruba.
And speaking of return, here, let's go ahead and sit on the chairs and enjoy our beautiful setup that we have out here. Speaking of high return rate of tourists, your wife, she visited Aruba about 30 years ago and never came back, right?
Well, she fell in love with Aruba. I don't think it was with me, but she fell in love with Aruba, and so she stayed and we married, and so now she forms part of the Aruban community and a proud Aruban now.
Thank you very much for having us. So now I have my pin and I will be visiting Aruba. I've never been, but I look forward to it.